welcome to Vedio HTD.
Hello, Sally.
Yes, we have worked together since 2011, may I ask your reason to work with HTD? What's your key point to work with your supplier?
Okay, mainly I have two reasons to choose HTD products. First, I would say that your cost and the product quality ratio is one of the best in the industries. So that's a very strong strength of your company, and your product reliability is also excellent. So for us as toilet manufacturers in Mexico, the use of your valves means our toilets are high quality toilets, and we know they are reliable products for our final customers.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And this is your second time to visit HTD. What do you think the change of HTD compared with last time?
Yes, of course. Although my last visit was just 1 year ago, I can see a lot of change in HTD organization and in the company as a whole. I see your personnel is more organized. They are more trained in HTD products and in HTD processes as a company. And also another very big change I've seen is your toilet testing facility, your laboratory, which last year was not as complete and professional as it is today. Yeah. And last year the kind of test that can be performed to the toilets in your laboratory was a little bit limited, and now you can do whatever test you need to do on the sanitary ware.
Yes, we really invest a lot of money and do a lot of training of the skill to test the toilet to help our customer to get the reports of the function.
I'm sure we will work together more in the future.
Thank you.
We have big plans for our sanitary ware production, and of course HTD is part of that big plan.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Sally.